Hi Vintage Lovers, it's Sarah from Bold Wallflowers, and today we're testing 4 ways to remove ink stains from wood. Whether it's pen marks from the kids or a thrifted mystery stain, we're going to see what actually works.
So we will test hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, denatured alcohol, and acetone on this board, which I marked with ink about 6 months ago, giving it plenty of time to dry. Baking soda was the method I had the most hope for. I mixed a ratio of about 1 water to 2 baking soda, and I applied it to the board. I allowed this to sit while I applied the next methods. Next went on the denatured alcohol. In this case, I used ethanol alcohol, 99.8%. I soaked it on cotton pads, rubbed it in, and you could almost see immediately that ink was lifting into the pad itself. Next went on the hydrogen peroxide. I used a 12% solution. Similar method to the denatured alcohol. I put it on cotton pads and allowed it time to sit. Next, I applied acetone in a very similar process, soaked it on the cotton pads and allowed it to work in. And there you have it, all 4 products on the board. The most labor intensive was by far the baking soda. I did take a toothbrush and I scrubbed. And finally, I wrapped up by giving all the cotton swabs a quick scrub just to see if it would help to lift any of the remaining ink stains. And finally, a quick cleanup, and then I allowed the board time to dry. And here's the final results.
So here's what I found after testing all 4 methods on real ink stains. Denatured alcohol was by far the easiest and most effective. I just let it sit on a cotton pad and I gave it a light scrub, and most of the stains came right out. Really minimal effort, great results. Baking soda paste actually removed some of the worst spots, but it was really messy and it needed a lot of scrubbing. It also slightly abraded the surface, so you may even want to sand after use. And acetone, it worked, but it's aggressive, and just like alcohol, it will absolutely remove any finish. So don't use it on anything you're not already planning to refinish. And hydrogen peroxide, it's really not worth your time. It barely made a dent, maybe for other types of stains, but definitely not ink. So my recommendation, if you're dealing with ink stains and the piece is getting refinished anyways, start with denatured alcohol. If that doesn't work, baking soda might be your backup, but just be prepared for cleanup. I hope this helped take the mystery out of ink stains. I've been there, staring at an ink stain in a drawer, wondering if it's even possible to remove or just better to cover up. Now you have a few options to test for yourself. I'll be sharing more real-world finisher fixes, repairs, and refinishing tests. So if you found this useful and helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next video. And if you want more step-by-step information, photos, and products I've used, it's all up on boldwallflowers.com. So head over there for this information and so much more. Thanks for watching, and happy refinishing.